Enter the world of robotics with our Simple Robotics kit and build your own easy-build microbit controlled robot. It has been designed from the ground up to be simple to build by even the youngest of fingers. From its one-piece cardboard chassis to its clip lead connections, everything goes together in a way that is as free from frustration as possible. The kit of parts is accompanied by a detailed set of instructions that will not only walk you through the assembly, but it also covers the coding in detail. Even if you aren't confident or technical in nature, you will have no difficulties assembling and using this wonderful kit.